Hello everyone and welcome. Today I want to share something very close to my heart, my personal journey. From studying space physics to becoming a computer teacher and eventually an ASP.NET developer and knowledge sharer. It has been a long, exciting road of constant learning and change. My academic background began with science. I completed my master's in space physics and electronics back in 1986. During that time, I developed a fascination for computers. What started as curiosity during research slowly became a passion for learning how these machines actually worked. I was introduced to computers during my research work, and that moment changed everything. The idea that logic and code could make a machine perform tasks fascinated me. So, I began learning starting from the C language, step by step, with pure curiosity. Soon, I entered the world of teaching, but this time as a computer teacher. For 15 years, I taught students C++ and the fundamentals of programming in a CBSE school. Those years were some of the most fulfilling of my life, watching young minds grasp logic and develop problem solving skills. Even while teaching, my learning never stopped. After school hours, I spent evenings experimenting with Visual Basic, SQL, and ASP. I loved building small applications and exploring how code could solve real problems. That curiosity kept me moving forward. After gaining experience as a developer, I felt the urge to share my knowledge again. That's when I started my YouTube channel ASP NET and SQL Academy. It became my new classroom where I could teach people across the world the same way I once taught my students. As technology advanced, I moved into ASP.NET, both web forms and core. I started working on real business projects involving databases, reports, and web interfaces. The blend of logic, creativity, and design in ASP.NET fascinated me completely. The journey was not always easy. Every new framework came with new challenges, and many nights were spent debugging or relearning something I thought I already knew. But I realized every challenge made me a better developer and a stronger learner. After years of teaching, I transitioned fully into software development. I began working with a software firm where I could apply everything I had learned. Developing real applications gave me a sense of satisfaction. It was creativity mixed with logic, and it felt like I had found my true calling. Then came ChatGPT, and it truly changed everything. For developers like me, it is like having a personal assistant who understands code, logic, and even helps create examples or fix issues instantly. It saves time, simplifies complex concepts, and allows me to focus on creativity and teaching. When I look back, I am amazed. What took hours or days years ago can now be done in minutes. AI tools like ChatGPT have made development simpler, learning faster, and creativity limitless. I feel deep gratitude towards technology, towards AI, and towards everyone who watches and supports my work. This journey has taught me that learning never ends, and sharing knowledge is the most rewarding experience of all. To all learners out there, remember, it is never too late. No matter your age or background, if you stay curious and keep learning, you can master anything. Your passion will always find its way forward. My journey is still continuing. I am exploring how to bring AI into ASP.NET development and how to create educational tutorials that inspire others to build, learn, and grow. Thank you for listening to my story from space physics to software development, from teaching to YouTube. Keep learning, keep building, and believe that it is never too late to start something new. As I continue this journey, I realize there are so many amazing AI tools around us, each helping in different ways. Tools like ChatGPT, Notebook LM, Claude, Perplexity, Gemini, and GitHub Copilot are transforming how we code, research, and even create YouTube content. It is truly a new era for learners and creators. If you are a developer like me who also creates educational content, here is what I have learned. Use ChatGPT for coding, debugging, and writing tutorials. Try Notebook LM to organize your research and generate video outlines. Perplexity is great when you want to double check information with real sources. And tools like GitHub Copilot can make your ASP.NET development faster than ever. My next goal is to learn more about Notebook LM and GitHub Copilot so I can use them to make my tutorials smarter and my development work smoother. I believe AI tools are not here to replace us. They are here to empower us to create, teach, and build faster than ever before. As I look to the future, I see AI as a powerful learning companion, not something to fear, but something to embrace. Developers who learn how to use AI will not only stay relevant but will lead the next generation of innovation. That's what I want my journey to represent, a never ending love for learning. When I look at how fast the world is moving today, I realize one simple truth. Without AI, we simply can't move fast anyone. AI is not just a trend or a tool, it is the new engine driving every field forward. From healthcare to software, from education to creativity, everything is powered by AI. In today's work environment, AI is no longer optional, it is essential. It helps us think smarter, code faster, and make better decisions. As a developer, teacher, and creator, I can clearly see AI is not replacing us, it is empowering us. Those who learned it, use it, and adapt with it always move ahead. My message to everyone, young or old, beginner or expert, keep learning, keep growing, and don't hesitate to explore AI. Use it wisely, make it your partner, and let your curiosity lead the way. Because in this new era, knowledge powered by AI can take you anywhere. I was introduced to computers during my research work, and that moment changed everything. The idea that logic and code could make a machine perform tasks fascinated me. So, I began learning starting from the C language, step by step, with pure curiosity.